So here's our priority project for today is we're going to pull the freezer out. That works great, but I'm still going to take the thing off and take the air compressor and blow the dust and crap out of where the motor and the coolant system is on that to help it keep running good. And then we bought this refrigerator back, I think about 4 years ago during COVID. It ran for 2 years and then it kind of stopped cooling. I'm guessing the same thing with this, that being in a garage, it's all full of dust and dirt back there, needs to be cleaned up to run efficiently. And we'd like to put this back into service. Right now I've just unplugged it and kind of left it sit in here, not having time to get at it. So that's our project for today. Hit that like, subscribe button. Watch the other videos at Pro and the Project Specialist, and I'll update you on this shortly. So in case you were wondering, this is not how this area really should look. So this is where the freezer was sitting. We're going to get this cleaned up. We're going to get that all cleaned out, get the leaves out of it, all that stuff. And then we're going to go on to the refrigerator. I'm going to guess it's going to be the same kind of issue. This one was running, but I think we can get it to run a lot more efficient if we clean it up. So with my compressor and my little handy dandy blow nozzle here that blows the compressed air, I cleaned out this entire area back here. I cleaned out the ice or the freezer, took the panel off, blew everything out in there, cleaned everything up in there. A bunch of stuff laying back here. I cleaned this all up, blew the compressor off on this fridge, cleaned the inside out, and we're going to see. I'm going to put a beverage or two for later on today in here and see how cold it keeps it. I set it for 35 degrees, and so we're going to see if it stays if it runs at 35 degrees or not. With that said, that's our project for today. I got to slide them back into place. Thanks for watching. Check out the other handy videos at Pro and the Project Specialist. And yes, I do advise, whether it's in the house or in the garage, that you pull these out at least once a year and clean behind them to keep them running efficiently and prolong their life. Hit that subscribe button, and if you have any other tips on how to take care of your appliances, please leave them in the comments section. Thank you. Have a great day.